welcome to Ash Tyres. I've got a Seat Ibiza here on a 2007 plate, just doing the brake light bulb, but before I do that I'll show you which one it is. Could you please switch the side lights on? As you can see there, on the passenger side you've got both of them working, on the driver's side both of them working, but press the brakes now. Now look on the passenger side here, it's a lot brighter, the middle one's working, but the driver's side isn't. Lights off please. As you can see right there now. So it's the outer one that needs replacing, and the tools that are required for this, I mean obviously you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, you need a Torx T25 to do it. Brakes off please. All you got to do is undo these two little screws right here, and then this knife I'm holding is a plastic one, so what you need to do is slot it through here and wiggle, push it forward and it'll pop out. Just bear with me, I'll show you how it's done. Right, all I do now is take these two little screws out first. You can even use a flathead screwdriver for this as well, but we won't use that for a minute. Once I've done that, screws are loose. And now you can use a magnet to pull it out. And now gently push this through here, and then that's it. So on the inside you've got two little grommets right there which slots in. So I've got that out. All I now do is get a Phillips screwdriver. First unplug it. To unplug it you've got to do it from here. So you pull this back and then pull this side back as well. I'm better off using a flathead screwdriver. Oops, you know what I just did? I dropped the screws on the floor, but luckily I'm working in the workshop, so they didn't go very far. Now on the inside there you can see there's a Phillips screwdriver right there. So I unplug it first. Gently pull the plug clip out. That's out on this side. And then do the same on the other side. I do need a flat screwdriver, but I have to go to the toolbox to get it. I then undo it. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and the bulb you need for this is a 380, which is the twin filament one, because as you saw the side lights were on the same bulb. So I take it out. Now that's a seal right there, so you've got to be careful with the seal, don't let it go anywhere. So this is the bulb, twin filament one. You can see inside you've got two pins on the back. Get the new bulb out. I should have prepared myself for this, but well, don't matter. I've got the bulb out now. That's a twin filament right there. So there's only one way the bulb would go. So if I put it in like this, it won't go in. So if I put it in like this, it will slot in. I then slot it through the cluster, bulb holder. I then line up the screw hole, as you can see right there. Put the screw in. Screw it back together. Snip it up. I then plug it back in. So this is the way it came out, that's the way it's going. And the plug would only go one way as well. So you got two little bridges right here. So they'll go on the top. I'll slot it through, and then I'll slot this bit in first. Here we go, that's done. All I've got to do now is check, see if the brake lights are working. Could you please check the brake lights? Press the brakes. Now you can see there that's working, and the middle one's working as well. Now could you please put the side lights on? Take your foot off the brake. As you can see right there, that there is working, that there is working, both in the boot is working as well. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. There will be a playlist for Seat, so do check it out, and just subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, goodbye.